guys, today we're going to talk about the on-guard things. We're going to talk about, this is my sister Sierra. This is the on-guard foaming wash. Now let me talk, we reuse these, and what we put inside is this. We're gonna tell you what you need for it. We need a funnel. These are the tops to the bottles. We'll talk about that a little bit later. Of course, you need the bottles and this. This is another story, but we're going to talk about that after. So we're going to start filling the bottles. First, you need to get your bottle. And you start filling. You want the right amount for your bottle. Well, let me get I'm going to grab a top and we're going to put it on. Screw it. We're going to show you at the end of the video how to use it, like how to pump it. That's at the end of the video. Here we go. We got another bottle. Got two bottles. Screw that on. We got one bottle. Now let's do the other bottles.
So you don't really need a funnel, do you?
No, I'm going to show you that. That's...
If you're really clumsy like Mama, then you can use a funnel.
See, I have good balance when I pour.
So you don't need a funnel.
I'll show you with the funnel if you're very clumsy.
Cece, do you like the foaming hand wash?
What? Yeah. And let's pour it in.
Oh, that makes it much easier.
We already run out. We're gonna use the other bottle.
Okay, so one of these brown bottles fills 2 dispensers. So we have these at every sink, our kitchen sinks and both of the bathrooms, our kitchen and bathrooms. And so again, this is the refill. So we just refill our foaming pump dispenser and we fill all the bathrooms in the kitchen.
There we go. We're done with that.
Perfect. Do you want to explain why you don't want to fill the bottle too high before putting the pump in?
You don't want to fill it too high where it's like up to here, because if you put the
Funnel.
The funnel in, it will explode. So you don't want to do that. You spin it.
Yes, go ahead.
These
Spin it, I'll hold it.
These are On Guard soap. We're going to start by doing the we're gonna start doing the On Guard throat drops. We're gonna talk a little about them before we start it.
Okay. Can you show our viewers how you wash your hands with this first? Just to give them an idea of how the foaming hand wash works.
Let's show.
And how easy it is.
So.
So it automatically...
Hold on. What happened?
It's on. It's good. Yeah, it might take a little bit to get started. Here, put your hand out because we just refilled it. So in the beginning I just washed the dispenser. Okay.
There we go.
Here we go. Now pump it.
That's what happens when you first do it. Mama.
Okay, let's see this. Little foam. Okay, go ahead and wash your hands.
And it helps with a lot of germs.
Okay, can you also explain what it smells like?
Is
it clove, cinnamon,
it smells like
wild
clove
orange?
and some other oils.
Spicy, huh? It's nice for the fall and for Thanksgiving.
Yeah, let's talk about these now.
Okay.
Throat drops are like the candy, but they're made with lots of healthiness. And when you're sick,
let me just show them the
when you're sick,
protecting
they're very good.
throat drops. Okay, so they're like legal candy is what we call them.
After school or after work, if you have a bunch of germs on your hands, or after you're doing something where there's lots of germs like the grocery store or the park or work or school, your parents would be great, or whoever this is, it would be great to bring these after.
Okay, perfect. Do you want to open them up and fill up our bowl that we keep?
This is our bowl.
Okay. So these are great throat drops for whether you're feeling under the weather or if you just want to boost your immunity daily.
If you don't want to go over to the sink and wash your hands, you could always just bring a pack of these and.
Yeah, we like to use them and wash our hands, but it does boost immunity daily. So you could just pop one of these throat drops daily and you're good.
Let's show you what they look like.
Okay. Oh, take a look. Nice little throat lozenges. And they taste amazing. Like I said, wild orange, cinnamon, clove. It's our On Guard blend, and On Guard is our protected blend, which is amazing for boosting immunity.
This is what it looks like.
Awesome. Those look great, Sage. Thank you for sharing with everyone what we do.
Let's show you what you can do.
So this is something that the whole family can do. We love refilling our bottles, refilling our products. So the On Guard products are amazing for this time of the year when we're staying healthy. Thank you for that, Sage. Do you want to say bye to everyone?
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Do you like